Can you hear me? You froze up. I think you might have lost internet or something.
Hello?
Hey.
Okay. I don't know what that was about.
Yeah, you froze up a little bit on me. I don't know if I was frozen for you, but
I just got an error code saying the connection was bad. I'm on somebody else's Wi-Fi. And my lighting is very not good. Okay, now I'm sitting in the bathroom. So did you finish? Did you get everything done?
yeah, I'm pretty sure I did. I mean, really wasn't that difficult.
Yeah, I was like way overcomplicating here. Let me open up I was way overcomplicating where you connect the buttons to the information. I had like a 3-line formula going on.
Wait, we have to connect buttons?
Well, I mean, like on the dashboard where you click the different buttons and then it pulls the different information in. I'll show you. I'm opening it right now. I was like way overcomplicating it. Here, let me share my screen.
Okay.
Okay. This part here where you like have to click on the buttons and then this information changes over here.
Oh, were you supposed to do it like that?
Yeah, how did you do it?
Oh no, because I did it just like a drop down list.
Oh no, you have to do the buttons.
But like I didn't do like a drop down list normally. I did like one of those option drops down lists.
Oh, well, show me what you did. Maybe it will work okay. I took the instructions to me and it had to be like a button.
Okay, I mean that would make sense. I did mine like here. I'll show you.
And then this was the formula to get the information for each thing. But originally I had like a 3-line. I was trying to do if it's this, input this. If it's this, input this. If it's like I was way overcomplicating it.
Yeah,
and then I
just use
remembered in the video that it said use index, and I'm like, oh my gosh.
yeah, because each of those buttons like corresponds to a number or something, so it makes
Yes,
it way
yes,
easier.
yes, so much easier. I'm like, oh, I was way overcomplicating that. I probably wasted an hour on that.
So okay, I'll share my screen then, and then
Okay, let me
show you what I did.
Your way might be fine. I took it to mean that we had to have those buttons.
Can you see mine?
Let's see. Yes.
Because see, I did it like this. Like mine's not a normal drop down, but it's like one of those option drop downs, and then you just do it, and then everything changes.
That will probably be okay. Let me get the directions. I mean, the instructions.
I mean, it does say not a drop down list, but I remember reading that. Using option buttons. Okay, yeah, you're right.
Dang it.
But
those are so easy and fast because you just make the first one and then just copy and paste them.
I'll have to switch that up then.
Show me, let me look at the rest of your stuff and see if everything else looked okay.
Where are they? And then, so I guess when let's say I type in something here, can you still see my screen, right?
Yep.
If I type in something here, you have to come back here, right, and hit the solver?
Yeah.
Like every time, no matter what?
Mine, I like copy and pasted, at the top where you have the acres and the square footage. I copy and pasted that on the other page also.
So you could put them in on this sheet.
Yeah. But I think that the way you did it is fine. But if you copy and pasted them on the second page, then it would make it a little bit easier.
Yeah, and that way they could do it all from one sheet.
Yeah. Yep. Mine's the same thing.
you're on corn at 1.5.
Yeah. Did the formulas that I texted you about, did that help you? Did that
Oh
save
yeah,
you
it
some time?
totally made sense to get like to calculate how much square footage you've used and then
Good. Okay,
with
good.
profit
I'm
and
like,
everything.
oh, because like I said, I wasted way too much time, way overcomplicating it.
I mean, yeah, I had to just look at your equation and look at what cells you were referencing, and then I was able to figure it out. So
Good. I'm glad that that helped.
I understood what you did. So
I
okay,
would
so
I would change your drop down into option boxes real fast if I were you.
yeah, and that's just hold on. How did we do that again? I already forgot.
Here.
It was
Insert developer tab, insert
developer
controls,
tab. Oh yeah, insert and then option button
option. Yep, that thing right there.
right
Make
there,
your first one and then copy and paste the rest.
and then just uh type in the.
And then you've got to make the number come up. Remember how you got to make the number come
Yeah,
up? How do we do that?
just right click that and say format control.
Yes. Yep. That's right.
And
That's
then
right.
just link it to a cell or whatever.
Yep, exactly. That'll take you 5 minutes to do.
Okay. So I just
Um,
need to, and then do you just type them in, or you probably did, or did you link them to these? You probably
I
had to link
typed them
them,
in. I typed them in. I couldn't figure out how to do it any other faster way, and it was really annoying because editing the buttons, I don't know, sucks.
but it still worked because then you just used the whole graph to reference these cells. Then
Yep,
so it
yep.
still worked when you click the buttons. It still
It
changed
should.
everything.
It should.
Okay.
If it doesn't, then I would just go back to your drop down box because it's already 10:20.
Yeah, I only have like 40 minutes, so
So
I just
simple.
read the instructions wrong again. So there you go.
How did your last exam go?
I haven't seen my grade. He must not have graded mine yet. So
I haven't. Yeah, he hasn't graded mine yet either. I thought it was super hard.
yeah, me too. I did not like it.
Like there was things about it, like the pivot tables and stuff. That part was fine, but the linking on the last page with the dashboard was very hard, and I felt like it took me so much time. And then when I turned it in, I felt like it was working for some of the stuff, and then for some of the things that I would drop down, it wasn't working.
Yeah, I just stopped caring.
Yeah, we're so close, and you'll pass the test. Luckily, the last exam is going to be cake.
Have you looked at it?
Well, the last exam is basically we get to create anything we want to create.
Cool. So simple, like 2 + 2 stuff is what
Yeah,
I'm gonna do.
don't make it a crazy hard VLOOKUP, or if you do, and it's not working, then try something else or take that step out.
Yeah.
Like I read through the instructions and it's not like it says on it, this has to have a pivot table and this has to have he basically wants you to create something that you're going to actually use in your life.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going to do like my family budget and make it cool and colorful and pretty and whatever.
Yeah. Yeah.
Have you done the macros assignment, which is the assignment we do before the next mini project?
Not yet.
Okay, because that is really cool. And I'm like, oh, I could maybe use some of that to like, it's basically recording the steps that you're making in an Excel spreadsheet so that you click a button and it recreates that same exact table every single time.
Oh.
It's very cool. So I'm like, oh, I could see, I think I'll do that with my family budget and then just have a button that says create a new month and then like a whole new month table pops up.
That's the same. Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah, and when you do the assignment, you'll see it's pretty easy. It's not like anything that's gonna waste my time. I know. I'll get started on this mini project just every night when my kids go to bed here and get it done, and then we can meet maybe Friday or Saturday.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, sounds good. I'll email you this link right now, and then will you make sure you put on there Lindsay turned hers in before we met because she's on vacation.
For sure. Yeah, I'll put a good word in for you. So
and if I miss out on the 2 points, then it's not the end of the world either. So
yeah, I'll tell him what happened and hopefully he actually reads it. So
yeah, no worries either way, but at least you get the credit.
thanks.
Okay, talk to you later.
Yeah, have fun.
Good night. Bye.
Bye.